Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trish and I like to film makeup videos and just try things out and learn new things. I've been doing makeup for a few months and it's all a learning process. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and let's get into this Boxycharm unveiling. So please let it be good. Please let it be good, okay? Anyways, let's get into this. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is a subscription box that you can get. It costs $25 a month. They ship it to you and you could get well over $100 worth of product. If you're interested in trying one of these, I do have some other videos. You can see other people's videos. You do get a lot of good stuff. You get very expensive stuff sometimes in these things. I do have a link down below that you can click to get subscribed. I also have my link for my Ipsy box and it's kind of like the same deal. I tend to have more luck, better luck I guess, with Boxycharm. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do get good stuff out of Ipsy too, but my Boxycharm is usually where it's at. But you never know, right? So we're going to open it up here and this is what it looks like. Right here you get your little card. This month is Breaking the Ice. So this card does tell you the name of the box, basically the theme, and then it does give you a description and price of all the items that you get in your box. There are many different variations, so just because I got this one does not mean you'll get this one. You could have something totally different. Depends on what you fill out about your skin. It depends on if you want more skincare, if you want more makeup. So it just depends on you, okay? So this is what it looks like underneath the foam here. Ta-da! All right, let's get into it. So we have the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer. I can't even talk. Duo, okay? Let's get this open here. I do have a couple things from Wonder Beauty that I do like. This is very cute packaging. It's like this nice little blush pink. Flip it open. Ooh. And these are your two shades. So I am very pale, so this is a nice little shade for me. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it doesn't really show up a whole lot on my wrist, but there it goes. There it goes. It's very soft. Let's try this blush color. It's very pretty. Very pretty. So I can't wait to try this out. If you guys like this look that I have going on right now, it's all drugstore makeup and I will try to link it up above. So make sure you click that and watch that video and, you know, play with the makeup with me. The next item that I see, oh, let me look and see how much this one costs. The Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo retails for $36. So that is, you know, what, $11 more than what I even paid for the box. The box has been paid for pretty much. You know what I mean? Like, come on. The next item, let's go for this lippy. It's by Malina Kadar. Never heard of this brand. This is called Lip Whip Dream. This is a very pretty nude. It's kind of hard to see because of the reflection. Let me get the packaging off of it. I don't usually wear just like regular lipsticks. I am more of a liquid lip type of gal just because I don't forget to reapply a lot. So let's see. Oh, this is a liquid lip. Hello. That just made my day. Can y'all see that? Very pretty. So I'm gonna let that sit there and kind of see how it dries down. I like that though. It's gonna go in my collection. I might even wear it tomorrow. Just saying. That's like my type of shade. Is I love those pink, like nudie pinks, or even those light nudie browns. Like my favorite color that I wear on my lips a lot is the Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. Love it. Just love it. That lipstick retails for $21. So it's a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, it says. So, and it says it's long lasting. And it's not supposed to dry out your lips. We'll be the judge of that, won't we? All right, next item here is skincare. 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask by Avant. Shea Butter, Rice Bran, some other words I can't pronounce. So this is, how big is this? 1.69 fluid ounces or 50 mLs. Packaging looks like so. And the retail value on this is $107, guys, for this. Okay, we need to sniff it. This is a sleeping mask. Who's going to use it tonight? Me. Okay, $107. My shit better be glowing tomorrow. I don't even really smell anything, so that's good. Like, I'm not a huge person on putting fragrance on my face. It has a very light scent, so it's good. You guys hear me? So I'm using this tonight. It better be bomb. $107, it better be good. The next item is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. So I've seen this. Isn't this the cutest packaging? Like, it looks like a ring box, and inside is another one. Thank you. All right, I did read the reviews on this in the past, and they weren't the best. It has like a little fake button right here, which I think is kind of funny. I don't know why they did that. Looks like so. This is probably gonna be too dark for me. I don't know. Maybe. We'll try it out. I mean, it's like a light goldy champagne. So I don't know. The packaging is adorable though. I might just keep it just for the packaging. Honest to God, I adore packaging. Okay. So if you haven't noticed, like, I even have in my background, like, I have like the Game of Thrones by the Urban Decay palette book. I've got the Storybook palettes back there. I've got my Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette back here. You know, like, packaging is my thing. I have just the original Naked palette right there because this is naked. Like, I just think that's cute. Okay. This highlighter right here retails for $36. Do y'all see why I get this? Like, $25 a month and you get all this stuff to try out. You know, like, I love it. Last but not least, this is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I have seen other people's of this, and this is not going to be a palette that I use. But not that it's not a good palette. It's just not, the packaging is adorable. Look at that. It looks so like tribally. These colors are just too warm for me. Okay, guys. Whoop. Do you guys see that? Like, they're beautiful. I do love the yellow and the orange in this color, or in this palette, but I don't want to use it just because it would be a waste. This is something that's going to go in my bucket of gifts that I will give to somebody that would use it. Excuse me, guys. Allergies, man. Living in the Midwest, you have allergies all year round. This palette retails for $34.99. So you definitely get your bang for your buck. Oh, you guys, this liquid lip is totally matte, which is great. It's not like flaking off when I rub on it. It's not wiping. Like, we're gonna have to try this out. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Right here. I'm excited. So you guys, don't forget, click the link down below in the description box if you are wanting to sign up for Boxycharm. There are a couple different box sizes. The ones that are larger than this, there is a waiting list, which I am on it. They need to hurry up because I want the big box that has lots and lots of goodies in there. And there's also a link for Ipsy if you want to check out the Ipsy page as well. Make sure you check out, you know, watch people's unboxing of their Ipsies, you know, their unboxing of their Boxycharm. See which ones you think would be best for you. I did just get the Sephora Play, which you get like samples. It's like $10 a month. I am waiting still to get that. That's been a little while. I need to check in on that because I would think I would have had it by now. So I'm excited about a few of these products, you guys, especially these two right here. I'm really excited about these. So, oh, and I did like this one too. So I'm gonna try this one out. I might even try this one out with this tomorrow. Let's see. But you guys, thank you so much for, you know, tuning in, and hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And if you want to check me out on Facebook, guys, I do have a Facebook page as well. If you just type in Beauty with Trishness, and you should be able to find me that way as well. I mean, it's not many people that's got a mug like this. Hello. But I will see y'all soon. Bye.